Good morning. Thanks for joining me this morning. Welcome back if you're a subscriber, and welcome if you're new. I love having you here. Please subscribe if you're new. Today's video is a Fall Clean With Me 2020. Today I'm starting in my living room. This is where my 18-month plays a lot, so it gets messy very fast. How was your weekend? Let me know down below. Now we are reorganizing my little one's bookshelf. She loves being right to during the day, so her books get all over the living room. I finally vacuumed the couch, looking for my little one's nooks. She's always losing them, and then I find them in random spots. No nooks today, maybe next time. I love this little vacuum. It gets the crumbs and my little one's crackers so good. Today I'm finally cleaning under the mat. It was so gross under there. It had crackers and dirt. Also, I get tons of questions about this mat. We got it at Target. Right now I'm showing you the rug and all the crumbs that's under the mat. Wow, I can't believe it got that bad. I also moved the rug today. I haven't done that in forever. It was so bad. I haven't cleaned behind this couch in so long. I was so shocked to see what was behind there. Oh my goodness, that was so bad. There were leftover Legos, pit balls, her toys, books, her leftover crackers. my vacuum couldn't reach that one cookie crumb right there. Let me know down below if you are watching or cleaning with me. Don't forget to like this video if you're enjoying this cleaning motivation. Now we are on our way to clean the bathroom. Thank you for watching this video and taking the time out of your busy day to watch. It means so much to me. I haven't cleaned this sink in a while, so there's soap slime everywhere. I just wanted to thank you again for watching today's video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. You can find me on Instagram, where you'll find more cleaning motivation and video updates, and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like, and thank you again so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your week.